In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat button to your website using the Hostinger Website Builder. This simple yet effective tool can really bridge the gap between you and your audience, making customer support or casual chats much more accessible. We'll guide you through each step so you can easily integrate this feature and start connecting with your visitors in real time. First things first, let's get your WhatsApp chat link ready. This link allows visitors to start a conversation with you with just one click. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get that ready. You'll use the format .me/your phone number. Here's the crucial part. Replace the your phone number placeholder with your full phone number. Remember to include your country code, but do not add any plus signs, spaces, or special characters. The link should be just one continuous string of numbers. This way, when someone clicks on your link, they'll be directed straight to a chat with you on WhatsApp, making it incredibly convenient for both parties involved. Now that your link is ready, it's time to add this button to your site. Go ahead and open your site in the Hostinger Website Builder. Once that's up, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see an option to Add Elements. Clicking on that will expand a list of options you can incorporate into your site. Search for the button element here. Once you've found it, simply drag it to where you'd like it to appear on your web page. You might place it in the footer, perhaps in a corner, or maybe right in your contact section, wherever it makes the most sense for you and your visitors. After dragging in the button, you'll want to tweak it a bit, starting with the text. Click on the button and change the text to accurately convey its function. Something like "Chat on WhatsApp" generally works well, as it's direct and to the point. Once that's done, move on to the link field. This is where your newly created WhatsApp link will go. Paste the link you've prepared earlier right into this field. Finally, for the best user experience, it's a smart idea to set the link to open in a new tab. This ensures that your website remains open, providing a seamless experience for your visitors even after they initiate a chat with you. It keeps everything neat and accessible. And there you have it, a ready-to-go WhatsApp chat button on your site. By following these steps, you're not just adding a feature. You're enhancing visitor interaction and creating pathways for smoother communication. Once you have everything set up, go ahead and test it out to ensure everything functions as expected. If you followed these instructions, you'll find it's a straightforward yet powerful addition to your website. Looking forward to seeing how you make it your own.